Now we have done the coding part for y-axis, but x-axis is still remaining because when I touch the sprite and when I touch the up arrow, my sprite is only moving up and down, but it is not moving right and left. So we will be coding for the right and left part also. How to go ahead with it? We are very much aware that positive x-axis, it will move my sprite to the right hand side, and negative x-axis will move my sprite to the left hand side. So let's go in the motion block and see over here change x by -10. When I'm clicking over there, you are able to see that the sprite is moving in the right hand side. Then I will be placing the sprite somewhere over here now because I will be changing it to duplicated, and I will be changing it to -10. What happens now? See, -10 over here. When I click over there, clearly you are able to see that the sprite is moving. +10, the sprite will be moving over there. -10, the sprite will be coming back to its original position. Left and right, it is also, sorry, up and down, it is also moving correctly. Now what I will be doing over there, I will be clicking, I will be going under events block, and when space bar is pressed, this is positive x-axis, so definitely it will be right arrow. Done. And then this will be, my dear kids, it will be left arrow. So when I press on the right arrow, you are able to see, and when I press on the left arrow, you are able to see that the sprite is moving. Top and bottom, it is also there. But we require to make certain modifications to the code. What is the modification? Done. So I will be going under the control block. Under the control block, you will be able to see a block called as repeat until. So I will be clicking on repeat until. Done. And then you are able to see over here condition is there. What is the condition over here, my dear? I have to go to the sensing block. In sensing block, we will be when space bar is, or when right arrow key is pressed. Done. Then it will, when right arrow key is pressed, you are able to see that nothing is happening now because when I'm pressing the key, so it should move ahead. So again, we require to make modifications to the code. I will be going under operators, and under operators, I will be selecting not. And this particular part will be coming over here now. See, clearly you are able to see that as soon as I release the key, the sprite is coming back, or the sprite is moving. So the same thing has to be applied to -10. So I will be repeating or duplicate those particular blocks. I will be keeping it just below when green, or when the key is pressed. Remove this, put -10 over there, and right arrow will be replaced by left arrow. Now let's see. Perfect. The left and right keys are also functioning properly now, my dear. So this is the half part of the coding. We are done. Now let's see. When I press up arrow, done over here. So it depends upon you now, my dear. If you want to make it 150, just see to it 150. Yes. Done. So it is coming accurately over here. Now half part of the coding has been done as of now.